Welcome back in HTML 5.2 tutorial series.
Let's begin.
In Lecture 2 we will discuss about HTML versions. Let's start.
HTML1 is named for Tim Berners-Lee's original HTML. First mention of HTML tags was on talkmailinglist.com by World Wide Web Consortium on October 29, 1991. HTML 2.0 was published as IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force, on November 24, 1995.
Like HTML 2.0, HTML3 did not become a standard.
Yes, but HTML 3.2, an improved version of HTML3, was the first formally approved industry-wide as HTML standard, a W3C recommendation on January 14, 1997. HTML 4.0 was reissued with minor edits, without incrementing the version number on April 24, 1998. HTML 4.01 was published as a W3C recommendation on December 24, 1999. And its last errata were published on May 12, 2001. XML-based markup language, designed to fulfill requirements of that time by W3C in May 2000. After HTML 4.01, there was no new version of HTML for many years. HTML5 was published as a W3C recommendation, on October 28, 2014. HTML 5.1 was released on November 1, 2016. And finally HTML 5.2 was published as a W3C recommendation on December 14, 2017. For any help, please place your question in comment section below.
Please subscribe Matrix for more interesting tutorials. See you soon.
Stay tuned.